Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a cleaning, I'm out of breath running up them stairs, cleaning tips video. Like, I'm not going to show you how I clean, I've done that in a few videos, but what I'm going to do is show you what products I use and how I use them, and just a few tips that I've learned off of either the internet or Mrs. Hinch. I'm sure you guys know who Mrs. Hinch is. Okay, so if you don't, I'll put her Instagram on the screen right now. You need to go and have a look at her, because I used to hate cleaning. It used to get on my nerves. I used to not enjoy it, and now I find so much joy out of it. Like, I really enjoy it, and Mrs. Hinch has made me enjoy it. So I'm just gonna get my breath back. Okay, so the first thing that I use is this. So this is Glade Shake and Vac. Basically what I do is hoover everywhere, and then I shake some of this onto the carpets and then leave it for a little while, and then you just hoover it up, and it makes your house smell so nice. It makes your carpet smell so fresh and so nice. And you can pick this up literally anywhere. You can pick this up in B&M, The Range, Home Bargains, Tesco's, literally anywhere. Wilkinson, it's so good, and I think it's like £1 or maybe a little bit more, I'm not sure, but it's so good, you have to buy it. The next thing is the pink stuff. Now this stuff is so good, literally. I have used it on 2 things, but there's so many other things you can use it on. You can use it on saucepans, cooker tops, sinks, barbecues, ceramic tiles, glass showers, garden furniture, paintwork, boats, brass, rust. It's so good, and it's just for so many different things, and it really cleans things. It's like a paste, as you can see. I use it all the time, but it is really good, and I think this is really affordable in B&M and Home Bargains as well. I use it in my oven, and I do use it on like rust and stuff, like to get off the bath if there's any rust, or you know, like that brown stuff is minging. So yeah, this is really good to have as well. Next thing I use on my kitchen surfaces and any surfaces is really this. So this is my favourite scent of it. So it's the Dettol Clean and Fresh Multi-Purpose. So this one is pomegranate and lime splash. Now this is really good. I like to spray this all over my surfaces, like microwave, sides, tables, everything, and just wipe everything down, and it really is so good. It anti-backs your sides, so it makes them really clean, but it also gives it a nice fresh smell. So if you haven't tried it, please try it, it's so good. It's for kitchen surfaces, draining boards, shower screens, cooker hob, bins, bath taps, sink floors, toilet seats. It is really good, and it's really important to make sure everything is like Dettoled and anti-backed at the moment, especially. Next thing, now you're probably gonna laugh, but this is washing up liquid, but I just want to give you my review and my thoughts on this. Now, I've always used Fairy, always, and it's good, really good, but ever since I've tried elbow grease, now I've tried elbow grease in the spray, and it's really good. So I thought, I wonder what the washing up liquid's like, because I always struggle to get the frying pans really clean. They always leave like a bit of gristle and stuff. So I tried this, and this is really good. But what I like to use with this is one of these scouring pads. Now this was from B&M, I think it was like £2 for 4, and literally it's so good. You put these 2 together and you can really get the gristle off of pans and stuff like that. I have no idea how much this is, but you can get this literally anywhere as well. But it is really good. It's for glasses, pans and plates. So good. And it's lemon fresh. Is Sif. Now, when I first moved out, my mum was telling me to use this everywhere, like bathroom and stuff. And now they've brought something out that you can use on your kitchen sink and draining boards. So this is the stainless steel streak free shine perfect finish Sif. So basically you just spray this all over your surfaces, like your draining boards, and it really makes it clean, but it also shines everything up, and it is just so good. So I think you can get this pretty much anywhere as well, like Home Bargains, B&M, Tesco, Asda, all sorts of places. But yeah, this is so good, and I've nearly run out. What else do we have? So the next thing is actually for Olivia. So I have an 8-month daughter, and her high chair gets so dirty all the time whenever she eats dinner. She's now eating a lot of our foods, so she's chucking stuff around, she's mixing things in with her hand, she's moving it around, and it's really getting into the high chair and it's just filthy. So what I like to do is use this Milton spray. Now this is an antibacterial surface spray, so I use this on her high chair, I use this on her walker because she eats off that as well, and I use this on her toys. Anything that she uses, touches or puts in her mouth, you can use this on. It's just really good product. I think we got this from Asda. And then this is a little trick that I learned from Mrs. Hinch. So basically this is just a normal spray bottle that we got from B&M, and what you do is you put 1 capful of Comfort, your washing up liquid that you wash your clothes with, Comfort or whatever you use, and then you fill the rest up with water. And then what you can do is actually spray this on your sofas, on your rugs, on your curtains, literally any kind of fabric, and it really makes it smell amazing. So your whole home will just smell of washing, and you know that like just washed up clean washing smell is so good. So you can literally just use that anywhere and everywhere. A little trick that Mrs. Hinch told me on Instagram. Next thing is my favorite. Literally, I'm obsessed with this stuff. So if you guys have heard of Zoflora, it's basically a antibacterial product. Like, it's a disinfectant that you can put around on your sides, your surfaces, but there's so many other different things that you can do with it. So this is actually called Fabulosa. Now this is the cheaper version, I think, but I prefer it. So they've actually put this into a bottle, so it's concentrated, and you can spray this on your surfaces. You can spray this pretty much everywhere, like on your pillows, your bedding, everything. And also with that Comfort, you can spray that on your bedding. It's so nice. But what I do is I use this on my sides. I like to clean the sides with this. And what else can you do with it? Also with Zoflora or Fabulosa in the actual pot, like the tubes, the bottle, sorry, you can put them in your washing machine. You can put them in your sink and then put your cloths in there so they're nice and clean and they like smell nice. What else can you do? You can put it down your plug holes, down your toilet, everywhere. It's so good because it smells so nice. So yeah, honestly, if you guys do use this, let me know down below what scent you use, or like what's your favourite one. Mine is Electrify, Fabulosa Electrify, so good. Okay, so moving on to oh no, wait, so this is actually Zaflora diluted into some water. So this, again, I use around on my sides. I've got my little cleaning basket here. This looks like a toilet brush, but it's not. It's actually for Olivia's bottles. So this we got from Home Bargains, and basically when we wash her bottles, you can actually get in with this brush. It's really good and thick and really large, so you can really get into her bottles because they get so messy now. She's just a messy bum. Okay, moving on to cloths. So as I said, we use this scouring pad here, and I like to use this on like really hard surfaces like pans with, you know, like when you've had spaghetti bolognese and the mince kind of goes a little bit hard and stuff. You can use this. So I like to leave it in soak after we've had dinner and then go in that evening and use this with it. And that really gets on it. And then also I use this for my draining boards as well. And then this is basically a minky, as they say. So the minkies are green, but I prefer these. So this is called a scrub buddy, and you get a pack of 3 for, I think it's £1.49 or something like that. Now it's got this really sort of hard surface, so you can really scrub at things, and then it's got this soft surface which I use on my sides, and I use it with this as well, this is the Fabulosa. But these are really good. I use these everywhere. I use this in my bathroom, my kitchen, my bedrooms, everywhere. It's so good, and they're so cute as well. Then the last thing, the last sponge that I'm going to show you is this. So this is the Scrub Daddy. This is really good. Mrs. Hinch was talking about these ones, and they are really good because when you put cold water on, they go hard, and when you put hot water on, they go soft. I think that's the right way around. And you can just scrub things. So what I do is I put hot water on so they go soft. soft, sorry, and then I put some of the pink stuff on it, and then I clean the oven with this because it's really good. It gets really scrubs in there and stuff, so really good. I think you can pick these up anywhere. They also do fake ones as well. And then the last thing is this. So this was sent to me by a brand called Tranquility Cosmetics, but this is a Zoflora springtime room spray. So basically it's like Zaflora diluted, but it's a room spray, and I use this on my sort of curtains, furniture, rugs, and then I use it on my fake flowers as well. So I've got lots of fake flowers around the house, and I just spray them, and it makes them smell so good. So yeah, that is pretty much my cleaning products. There are a few more that were downstairs, but I couldn't bring them up because there's so many. So the other one I want to mention is soda crystals. So Mrs. Hinch was saying that if you put soda crystals down your sink and then you put some white vinegar and then boiling hot water, then it clears all your sink out and your plugs, your plug holes and stuff. So you can do that. And then the other thing that we use is white vinegar. I use white vinegar on stains. So if I get a stain on my sort of white cami tops, I wear a lot of cami tops and I always stain them for some reason. So if I get a stain on any clothes, white clothes or Olivia's clothes, I'll just use white vinegar, and it really helps get the stains out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So they're my kind of everyday cleaning supplies that I use. I'm obsessed with cleaning. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. Especially having a baby, it's very important. But ever since watching Mrs. Hinch and stuff, I've just fallen in love with cleaning. It's so good. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what cleaning supplies you use. Anything that I haven't showed you would be interesting, so I can go out and get it, because I just need an excuse to go and get more cleaning stuff. Liam hates it when we go to the range or the B&M because I always come back with so much cleaning stuff. So yeah, let me know what you guys use and what your favourite product is, and if you've got any questions, just leave them down below, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your color.